Mohawk Council of Kahnawà has announced plans to use Akwesasne's draft couples property law as the basis for its own initiative to create a law to counter Canada's controversial S-2 legislation passed earlier this year. A small delegation went to Akwesasne to discuss the drafting of the law, led by Chief Lloyd Phillips.
Yeah, we had a very good meeting today with representatives from the Mohawk Council of Akwesasne, one of the chiefs as well as the justice coordinator, to discuss what they call their couples law, which is equivalent to our matrimonial real interest law, which we're doing in the community. We came here to discuss some common approaches. They're ahead of the game on us on this one, and they have a draft law already in place. They're ready to go for a community decision very soon. So we want to learn from their trials and tribulations, so to speak. We want to learn from their experiences and bring that home to Kahnawake to implement it and use it as a way of moving forward, to bring the information to the council and the community to show how something could possibly be done. We understand it's not 100% what is required in our community. We have some differences of issues in and around membership. But the principles and the basis of it is very strong and very useful.
When we had our community consultation meetings, they're called focus meetings here, we had a bunch of controversial subjects to attend to, and one of them was whether or not, did this apply to everyone? Will it allow non-natives to possess the home? In our case, yes, non-natives can possess the home, but they cannot take ownership of it. The certificate of possession will never be in their name. That's a compromise. The big thing and the focus that we had with our own law, it's called the couples property law, was to ensure that the child's interests are met. Grandparents who are raising their children will be respected as guardians. They don't have to go to any family provincial court and gain child custody. It's not necessary here in our community.
I've seen that Akwesasne is prepared and moving forward on not recognizing or not having provincial courts make decisions on their land. So I think that was a good step, and to see the work that has already been done is going to make our job a little bit easier.
I think most of the people understand that if they vote this bill down, if they vote our community law down, then they're saying yes to provincial jurisdiction, because the federal law says that in June of next year, 2014, if there's no community law in place, then the provinces will have jurisdiction over matrimonial real property.
The first hearing on this matter will use the urgent community decision-making process due to the expected implementation of the federal law in 2014. The meeting will be held on Wednesday, September 25th at 6 p.m. at the School Gym.